To add a signature in Outlook, first ensure you have access to the platform, either by downloading the app or accessing it through your browser at www.outlook.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Favorites section, which includes your inbox, sent items, and drafts, as well as a Folders section with options like Inbox, Junk Email, Drafts, Archive, Notes, Conversation History, and Conversation Action. To add a signature, go to the View tab and select the View settings, represented by a gear icon. From there, choose Accounts and proceed to Signatures. In the Signatures pane, select New Signature and give it a distinct name. In the editing box, type in your signature and customize the font, color, and size to achieve your desired appearance. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button. You can then select the new signature from the list and choose whether to apply it to new messages or replies and forwards. Finally, click Save to complete the process, and your new signature will be ready to use.